my name is Harini M. I'm from Aditya Vidyashram. I'm here to do the project called Facial Recognition on Raspberry Pi using CV and AI/ML, Artificial Intelligent Machine Learning. So go to this file manager and facial recognition and data set. We have to create a new folder. Name for the new folder. Copy it. And we have to go to headshot PyCam. And we have to replace the name. And run the program. Here. Then you have to click enter, showing your face in different direction. And click enter. And it detected my name correctly. And this is our project.